Hello everyone, it's Tim here. Welcome to Tutorials Hub. Now in today's video, I will show you how you can add a custom GPT to your WordPress website and really any website platform such as Webflow, Wix, whatever you're using. You can do this very simply. You don't have to actually know how to code to do this correctly. So obviously for this you will need to go to OpenAI Playground. Now once you go to the OpenAI Playground, you will be able to create an assistant right here. So obviously the assistant name, instructions, model, obviously you will need to adjust this for yourself. We have a bunch of other tutorials on how you can actually create GPTs and custom GPTs. But basically, what we're going to be using is the OpenAI ecosystem and WriteSonic ecosystem. Now, this is WriteSonic. WriteSonic actually provides you an ecosystem where you can actually go and plug in your OpenAPI key, and from there you can get an embed link that you can embed on your website. So this will look like this right here, as you can see. So this is called BotSonic. So basically, what we want to do here is once we have the OpenAI custom GPT, and once we have an OpenAI key or secret API key, then what we want to do is we want to go to BotSonic. Now, this is by WriteSonic. Just log into BotSonic and go to the import and OpenAI assistant bot, which will be right here. It's currently in beta, but just ignore that. Just once you do that, you can just go here and paste the OpenAI key. So just paste the key, click next. From there, you will get obviously and be redirected to the appearance section, where you'll need to just customize the bot, the custom GPT bot, how it will look like on the website visually, just the appearance. So you can adjust that. Once you adjust that and once done with the configuration part, simply go to connect and then click on embed the bot. Now here you will get the link to embed, and as simple as it is, you just copy that link and paste it in the head section of your website. Now this will add a custom GPT to WordPress and really any website platform such as Webflow, Framer, if you have any other like Wix website platform, you'll be able to do that very quickly and very easily. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any obviously questions or anything that you want to understand more about this, comment down below and I'll be able to assist you within this particular comment section on this video. So thank you guys for watching.